Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using mobile apps with Trust Wallet. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using mobile apps with Trust Wallet, first, download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and select Create a new wallet. You will be prompted to read and accept the terms of service. After accepting, you will receive a backup phrase. Write this phrase down and store it in a safe place. Do not share this phrase with anyone. Next, confirm your backup phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Once verified, you will gain access to your new wallet. You will see options to send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies. To use mobile apps, navigate to the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Select dApps to find decentralized applications. Browse through the list to discover various dApps available. For instance, you might choose a dApp related to trading or gaming. Tap on the dApp you want to use. Read any permissions or terms it may require. If you agree, click Connect to link the dApp to your wallet. You can now interact with the dApp directly through Trust Wallet. To perform transactions, ensure you have sufficient funds in your wallet. Follow the prompts within the dApp to carry out the desired actions. After completing a transaction, you can check its status in the Wallet tab. Remember to keep your wallet secure and back up your recovery phrase regularly. You are now ready to explore the world of mobile apps using Trust Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.